today I show you how to share the document using the Apex. So first go to developer console. Let first create account. Name, let's say Jon Snow. Insert account. Now it's time to create a document. For this, first we have to create the content version. Content version is the child of content document link. Content version. Dot title. This is the title of your document. That's a test document. Dot path on client. Path on client. It is the name of your document and extension is must here. Let's say text. Dot text. Version data. Now version data, it is the content of your document. Now it's time to create a content document link. Basically content document link. Now it's time to create a content document link. Basically content document link share the record share the file to the record. We have to provide here link entity id. Link entity id, it is the id of the object, means record. content entity id is equal to acc.id. Then we need here content document id. So when we create a content version, it create the content document id in a background. So first through SQL query we have to fetch it. Where id dot id. We need a content document id here. So content document id is equal to, now we have to provide a share type. So we give the share type to view all. Now it's time to execute it. Method does not exit incorrect signature, void version of string from the type block. Ooh. Now go to the record. Name is Jon Snow. Yeah, record is created. Now what about our file? Yeah, look, file is also created. Test document, download. This is the test document. It is the content of the file. This is the test document. So in this way we share the document with the record using the Apex. Thank you.